asked my driver yesterday, how many years does a tire last after being manufactured in a factory? He looked at me in amazement like a stranger from Mars, and asked in a state of fear, is a tire ever unsafe? He has been driving professionally for 8 years now. But he did not know that every tire has an expiration date after which it must be replaced. This is because there is a strong risk of the tire exploding, which can be very dangerous during the journey. Remember, the safe life of any tire is up to 4 years from the date of manufacture. Asterisk. Now you will think how to know the date of manufacture of the tire. It is written as 4 digits on each tire. The first 2 digits represent the week of preparation, while the last 2 represent the year of preparation. These 4 digits are written separately on the tire, with no alphabet added. Remember that some companies also make a star sign asterisk before and after the 4 digits. For example, asterisk asterisk, if these 4 digits are 4314, it means that the tire was manufactured in the 43rd week of the year 2014, 3rd week of November. That is, the tire will expire in the 43rd week of 2018. So you have to change the tires after this date. Some companies do not state the date of manufacture on the tires. This is a serious crime, but is common in some Chinese brands. Buying tires without looking at the manufacturing history is like using tires without looking at the expiration date. But I think it's worse. Because bad drugs can only hurt you. A flat tire endangers the lives of all passengers. Note, asterisk. Now that you know this, take a little trouble, go to your car, and bend down to check your tire manufacture date, and remember the expiration date of up to 4 years after that, so that you and your loved ones are safe in every journey.